everyone, welcome back to my crochet creations. So in today's video I will be showing you how to crochet tie front top. So now let's get into the video. And I'm making a body part. I already make a body part, not finished yet, but I'm making body part. So let's get into the video. So this is a body part. I make 110 chains here and make double crochet. In this pattern we have to focus on single crochet and double crochet, and then I make 12 rows here, but I have to add more rows because for the mediums. So I'm gonna make row 13. In row 13 I'm going to do double crochet. So how to do double crochet here? We have to make chain 1 and pull up the loop. So my birdie part is almost finished. This is my last row. I was very hungry, that's why I'm eating noodles. So my body pattern is ready. I'm going to switch color, black color here, because I'm making tie crop top. I have a black color. I'm going to switch the color in this body part. This is my second pattern. So I'm going to switch color here like this, making single crochet here. So I'm switching color here. So I switched the color and it's black color. So now I'm going to make 2 more chains here. It's a 6 rows here, 6 rows of black color, and then I'm gonna add 2 more rows here. Now I'm going to do same things with this part also. So I'm gonna switch color here, a black color, and then I'm going to make 6 or 7 rows here, maybe 7 rows here, because I make 7 rows here. That's why I'm going to make. So second pattern is ready. This is a front tie panel. So this part is called front tie panel. So now next pattern I'm going to make straps for front tie panel here. I'm going to make the straps here, and my next round is gonna make sleeves here, sleeves part here. So I'm making straps here. I have to make long straps. My straps is ready.
subscribe.